Hello, welcome to day 26 of my crypto trading journey and surprise stream. I'm streaming on a Sunday. I typically don't do this, I don't know. It's the first Sunday stream I've done, so let's see how this goes. I haven't really operated the market on Sundays because it seems to be kind of like a more of a calm day, although we did just get some massive volatility in the last hour for some reason. Not entirely sure why, but we'll figure that out soon. So let's take a look at how everything is going. In terms of news, I don't have too much news, to be honest. It's mainly just anti-Olympics, and yeah, I think that's all, honestly. Just older videos being pulled up about Trump, Kamala Harris for their campaigning. Oh, and Venezuela. Venezuela news as well. Although there's really nothing yet. It's just elections that people are waiting for. I did hear some rumors that apparently they're blocking, like the military and the police are blocking people from voting to kind of let, I don't know, Maduro win. I'm not sure what the stance of the Venezuelan politics are right now, but it seems to be the CIA Zionist versus the communist dictator. So I don't even know what to think about that, honestly, but let the people vote, let the greatest candidate win, I guess. So we've got Bitcoin price currently coming up 0.66% at $68,529. That's pretty good. We did reach 69,087, but then massive price rejection pushed the price down lower from here. I did think I adjusted the Fibonacci levels. Yes, I did. So here's our range kind of area that we have right now, which is between this zone and then this zone down here that we might see some bounces. So we've got those two for now. Apart from that, we're considered in an uptrend for Bitcoin. I'll keep that noted on my Excel to keep track of the trends. Okay, Ethereum is next. It is up 0.95% at $3,277.36. And it is still stuck in this range, I guess. Not too much movement for it either. It's considered an uptrend for once, though, so that's pretty good, I would say. Finally, not in a neutral trend, so I'm changing Ethereum to be an uptrend for this. Ripple is up 0.80, 90%, 88%. It's at 60 cents, not too bad. However, no general trend for this right now. Super trend indicates down. Moving averages are crossed up, prices above that, but no change in the indicators yet. So we'll ignore Ripple for now, keeping it as neutral. Next, we've got Chainlink is down 0.44%. Is this an old trade or we did make some trade. It was in Cardano and we lost. I'll go over that in detail in just a moment. Chainlink is considered kind of in a downtrend. I could look for shorts. I'll be fine with that. Possible shorts in Chainlink. And next up is Litecoin, and then it's Cardano. We'll review what happened in Cardano just a moment here. Litecoin is considered an uptrend. Up, well, down, well, up. It's 0%, whatever, at $71.60. Not too bad. It's considered an uptrend. That's good. Let's go to Cardano, which is down 1.65%. Looks like we were trying to long this, and it came down, unfortunately. Right now it's considered in a downtrend, although price is above the moving averages. I'm not sure if that does make any impact on it, but I'll note it as a downtrend for now. Let's review what happened here in the 1 minute chart. Wherever this trade is, right over here. Okay. So it was considered in an uptrend yesterday, but I guess today that changed. We're currently in a downtrend. I also got scammed over here because my entry price, it was at this hour, well, this minute, and this spread kind of messed me up, I guess. Although, I mean, yeah, the price eventually did drop a lot further, and it continued dropping today. So, I mean, the stop loss is fair, I guess, if it's not going to continue going up. We did also have this resistance that got in the way, so that was no good. This trade is considered a loss. And I'm going to write that down in my Excel just to get an update on our current prices. We did also lose in Solana the day before that, so that has already been noted. Let's see the details of this Cardano trade. So closed on the 27th of July. We lost, well, not yet. We entered at this price and we exited at this price and we lost $100. That's not too bad, 91 cents, but the commission is, that's not bad either. It's $6.77. And comments are that we hit the stop loss. Okay, not too bad, but because we're still up in general, but we do have a drawdown of 228 because of these $200 that we're losing trades, 2 losing trades that we do have to recover from. So we'll get to that eventually, not a problem. We basically just need 1 winning trade if we can get into 1 today, and that would compensate those 2 losses, which is great about having a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2. Possibly more with the strategy, but I have to figure out a way on how to maximize my profits on this strategy. So let's go back to the good old chart and back to the 1 hour. So yeah, we've already done our determination. This is considered a downtrend. So let's see what's next here. Solana is next. It is up 0.85%. It's currently $187.43, 42 cents. It did have a good pump today. Kind of to the levels that I sort of drew out over here. It didn't reach the 189 specifically, but it did have a big pump at, well, it did reach 189 actually. All right, so it's just recovering from that, taking a breather. Overall considered in an uptrend, so I will note that it is an uptrend. Okay, no change here. And yeah, possibly looking for upswings. You know what, I'm just going to look because I'm curious what's going on. Okay, so it's currently coming down, of course. Possibilities of an upswing, very probable. We might be able to do that, so I'll keep an eye out. Currently, it's still dropping, though. Okay, no problem. Let's go to Polygon. Matic, currently up down, sorry, 1.56%. This has just been going down. But hey, at least we have a clearly defined trend this time. It is considered a downtrend. So we can search for potential short positions. Current price is 50 cents. And let me just see what's going on. Well, the downswing already happened over here, and looks like I missed it. That could have already been a take profit if we use this as the last swing. That would have been a perfect trade, actually. When did this happen? 9:39. Yeah, I wasn't live at that time. I mean, this is usually kind of late for me to stream, but I'm making it happen anyways. All right. So next coin is Binance. It's up 0.41%. Price is $585.41. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. It did just make a downswing. It's no correct trend is being provided right now, so we do not operate Binance. Next coin is Phantom, which is neutral. Looks like 0.13% up. 14. It's kind of coming up right now. Price is 45 cents. It's not considered in any general trend though, so we keep it as neutral for now. We do not operate Phantom. Next coin is Notcoin. Let's see what Notcoin is doing. It's down 3.88%, so the downtrend continues here, seems like. Well, I mean, last time we checked, it didn't really have a trend, but now we know for sure this is in a downtrend. Must have been due to this super trend from yesterday. Yeah, indeed. All right, so it's coming down. The price is always at 1 cent usually, but it's 33 millicents in there in case you care. And let's see if we do have anything in the 1 minute chart. No, looks like the downswing already happened. Looks like I'm late for the downswings because these would have been perfect trades if I used this minimum over here. I mean, this maximum as my stop loss level. Entering, let's say like the price, we saw the clear swing over here. Okay, let's just say this is exaggerating. And then if we were to use a stop loss, 86 plus 5 is 91. So our stop loss would be about there. And our take profit risk reward 1 to 2. This would be well on its way to its take profit. Okay, well, it's dropping a lot more. It did just come up a little bit. So maybe that'll be good. Maybe that won't be good. I don't know. it did reach previous minimums down here, did not reach maximums like this in a while. So I think this trade would have been more probable. Oh, look at that dip. That's definitely going to hit. But unfortunately, we're not live on this trade. So we got to ignore. But that probably will hit. I'm curious to see if it actually does. It might just hit live right now for us as we speak. We missed out on possibly $200. When did this happen? At... yeah, 9:40. I did not. I wasn't live then. I started at 10 p.m. This, I think, is going to be a bit of a shorter stream because, like I said, I don't have too much news for you guys. Just general opinions on the market. We can look at the other stuff, you know, the coin market caps to see what coins have been moving and maybe do a bit more research. But I think I'm just doing a bit of a more chill stream on this one. Okay, yeah, we're not getting this live at least. Pepe is down 0.40%. I don't remember what ton. I mean, Not was, yeah, Not was in a downtrend. We could search for downswings, but nothing relevant in those minutes. Sorry, back to Pepe. No general trend, so we do not operate Pepe. Currently, it is down 0.43%. Price is 0.0011. 11. Let me just let this sink in. Yeah, it reached 13, dropped as far as 10. Okay. Yeah, where it is at 11 is pretty average. Maybe 12 would have been nicer, but that's more in bullish terms. Ton coin is up 0.24% down. It's in a down. No, it's no general trend right here, but this looks like it might switch in the next hour. If this does continue to go up a little bit, that will confirm the upswing for the trend right here. Right now, its price is $6.65. We do not operate Ton Coin today either. So, in summary, we're looking for longs on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Solana. Beautiful. And we're looking to short Chainlink, Cardano, Polygon Matic, Notcoin. Let's see if we get anything. Now that we have our trends defined, let's see if we can get anything in here for Bitcoin and the 1 minute chart, looking for upswings, which looks like we did just get one here. It looks very bleak, not... okay. I think this is pretty relevant. How far back would I go, though? I could use this minimum. Let me just look at the 5 minute chart. I'll probably use 5 minute chart for this one. Looks a bit better, easier to manage here. I don't think this minimum will hit again. It will. It could. Because compared to how much it has to go up, it has to go up to 69,000 again. But I mean, there's really nothing holding back Bitcoin, if we're being honest. Right, guys? Here, let me see. 33 plus 5, 38. Brings our stop loss down there, and our risk reward 1 to 2 brings it over here. So we have to wait for 69,400. Has to break past the 69,000 mark, which it kind of did, but this candlestick right here with the large wick from the up thing, it means that price started here, shot all the way up here. I don't know who somebody must have mass purchased this or something, but then a lot of people like sold or took profit at 69,000 or started shorting from there. Brought the price back down to 68,700 approximately. And that was all within like 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes probably. So this indicates massive rejection of the price going up here. So now we need to gain that strength slowly to try to retest those levels again at the 69,000 mark, which I don't know if that's going to happen. We're getting a big green candle here. I have to probably wait for a pullback. I took too long for talking too much, but I'll keep this here just in case. Okay. Ethereum, let's see if we're getting any upswings. We probably are because it resembles the price of Bitcoin very closely. We do have one over here. This actually looks better, honestly. I would feel more comfortable entering Ethereum. So let's do it. Let's do it. I see a good future. Put the stop loss down here at, because it's above, it's going to be below the Fibonacci, below this minimum, 12 plus 5, 17 there. And a take profit 1 to 2, which doesn't really matter. It has to reach 3,318. Let's just hope Grayscale doesn't sell while we are in this. It's Sunday. What are they going to sell on a Sunday or Monday morning? So I'm putting a stop loss at 3265.63. Put some money in there. I don't like that I'm putting too much margin, so let's increase the leverage. Yes, drop a little bit more for me. I think this is fine. Okay, yeah, it's just going up because I'm taking too long. The thing is that I enter at the highest point, and then price immediately just starts going down from there, making the stop loss closer and then the take profit further, which messes me up. And then if I do wait before entering, the price just skyrockets and I'm too slow. Whatever, I'll enter, I guess, if you really want to do this to me. Yeah, now we're seeing price drop, of course. It's the whole world against me. Okay, so I guess this is our entry price. 3286.46. 45 it says. Okay, 46 here. Stop loss is there, which is fine, and our take profit has to be very much adjusted here. Look how much it has to increase now. At 3,328, which still it's not too bad. If Ethereum is an uptrend, we shouldn't see these lower levels anymore. You're estimating price to go somewhat like this. You're basically just following probability, right? So you're expecting this to kind of happen, right? Hopefully so. So let's see if that does indeed happen. I'm going to delete that line. Okay, we're still going up, not too bad. But that's gonna just jinx everything and make it all drop, so let's not get our hopes too high. I have to put a take profit, so 332.806 is our take profit. I'm probably gonna try to enter as many positions as I can. I think it would be fun for a Sunday. See how much we can gamble on this. Alright, there you go. That's our first position entered on Ethereum. I'm going to neutralize Ethereum so I don't enter it again. Chainlink is supposedly going down. Let me check the 1 hour chart again because I don't trust this. This is starting to go up. We might get a moving average cross. I don't know if now is a wise time to be shorting. This was the previous trade that we did, which was a beautiful take profit. So far we're 1-to-1 with Chainlink if we look at the statistics. 100% win rate on there. Polygon Matic we have not done yet. I'm not even showing the charts, but yeah. Okay, let's see if Chainlink can give us anything. Let's go to 1 minute chart. Currently getting an upswing, we need downswings, which we missed over here, but it's coming back up very strong, and that would probably have to reverse, right? Though we did have some big movement today, I'm not gonna lie, which is a bit concerning, but whatever. This might still come back down, get a take a profit for us in the short way of things, because, you know, we're longing Ethereum, we can short Litecoin. I think that would be fine. And if I get multiple trades, I might do a trailing stop on one of them, while the other one is a normal stop loss. I just want to see the difference, and also I'll have to remove the take profit if I'm using a trailing stop loss. I just want to see, just to experiment how this would work. Okay, everything is just shooting up right now, even Ethereum, which I guess is fine. You can shoot up if you want. Litecoin is also supposed to be going up. Indeed it is. Everything I think is just going up. What is happening? What is the big news? Reveal it to me. Let's see if we find any news here. 1 hour ago, University of Wyoming launches Bitcoin Research Institute. I did see this from Cointelegraph. What does this mean, though, for crypto? High-quality peer-reviewed studies about Bitcoin. Bradley, a Bitcoin analyst and associate professor at the University of Wyoming, announced the new institute on X on July 28th. Yeah, I saw that. He will serve as the institute's director. Rettler described the current state of Bitcoin research as poor and stressed the industry needs more high-quality peer-reviewed publications to ensure the public is properly informed about what Bitcoin is and how it works. No, don't tell them. What are you doing? That's supposed to be our secret. It's supposed to be secretly rich. No, but of course, if nobody knows about Bitcoin anymore, People need to know about Bitcoin, buy it, and drive the price up so that we who got in early can take our good old profits, if you know what I'm saying. I mean, I guess this is fine. Not too bullish in my opinion. What else do we have? Justin Sun, so that's the Tron guy. He's pressing China for Bitcoin policy reforms amid US emerging crypto strategy. Oh, okay, that could be good. Now, if we're getting countries fighting over Bitcoin, and of course the governments are one of the most richest things, although we have trillions of dollars in debt. Yeah, maybe, you know, the volume into the crypto market is certainly more than welcome. So yeah, would be nice regardless. Litecoin, okay, it's taken its drip down a little bit. So should Ethereum then. I think we were earning like 60 plus. Now we're at 50 positive, which is not bad for our first trade. Litecoin, we're looking for long positions. Looks like we missed it over here, but I think I missed it on everything. Huge pump that just happened. This would be good for shorts, which coincidentally Cardano is supposed to be our shorter. Let's see if we can find any downswings right now. So Cardano also had a little pump just now from whatever happened. Looking for some correction, I'm hoping to see, because this is a new maximum, at least in the 1 minute chart. Yeah, it's pretty good new maximum. And we're starting to see some down movement. We could see something here. So I'm going to prepare a short position just in case. Probably put it over here in the next minute to give us a proper downswing. What I really care about is this stop loss position. So we'll increase that over here just in case. And if that was the case, well, price still needs to drop. Depending on where we buy it would depend what our risk reward take profit level would be, because that has to be 2 times of whatever this red cube is going to be, which we don't know yet. And it seems like it just recovered a little bit. I don't know if this is going to keep going up. What is the next coin that we have? Solana positives. Let's see if Solana can give us anything. I don't want to delete that or lose it, so I'll just make a new tab. Solana. Oh, was that Bitcoin? That was crazy. What just happened here? Oh yeah, that was if I had entered this. Why didn't I enter this? Or did I enter this? I have short-term memory loss. Why didn't I enter this? This was perfect. I think I was just nervous about the 69,000. Okay, we just broke 69,200 here. Yeah, that would have been a take profit. I just lost $200. Nice. Well, I didn't lose it, but I lost the chance of getting that. Shorting does not look too good right now, unless we do see some good correction, which could happen. We did see that over here at the price rejection, but this was too quick, and it didn't give us a chance for anything here. Before this as well, as you can see, the market has been pretty flat. This is like in the 1 minute chart. So market has been very flat during this Sunday until just now. Something is making the price go up a lot. How is Ethereum doing? It's up 1.91%. Not too bad. Oh, this is also pretty close to our take profit. We must be positive 100 at least. Yeah, 130. Okay, not bad. Oh, we might just make our 200 live right here. Based off of luck. I'm not a smart guy, trust me. Polygon Matic is down 0.58% right now, and we're looking for shorts, which it also has to try to give us. So we're looking for shorts, like I said, in Chainlink, Cardano, Polygon Matic, and Knot. Let's see if Knot is doing its own thing, which usually it does. No, this time it is kind of following everyone else. So Cardano is one possibility. Oh, I just made another maximum. Yeah, well, we'll have to wait and see for Cardano. Knot is our other possibility, which I'm also going to trace out because I don't want to lose these. I'd be fine with entering multiple positions. Shorting these ones. I mean, if they want to keep going up, that's fine as well, because I do have an open position in Ethereum. That should all be going up, right? You know, like even right now, I could just move my stop loss to like positive 100. What should I do? I don't think I will. If I lose, I'll lose. It's fine. It's a demo account. We won't fiddle with the results of the account here. Let me increase this stop loss. 84 plus 5, 89. So the stop loss will go there. It barely moves because the price is just so tiny. And risk reward 1 to 2. This is a perfect, nice looking trade. Even if price dipped like below here. If price calms down and then starts dipping, that will be perfect. But it seems like it's still currently going up. Whatever, it can still go up. I'm not in any active short trades, so just do what you want, I suppose. I'll open another tab because I really want to keep track of all of these. Bitcoin is still going up. It's still at 69,245 right now. Yeah. If I entered this, man, that would have been 200 here, possibly 200 in Ethereum. I wonder what's the catalyst right now. Why is this going up? I do have just like the general news stuff, but there's literally nothing too bullish. Yeah, and then this is from CNBC. Yeah, this is basically Trump stuff. Other stuff too. Nothing too interesting going on today. Cool. Okay, Cardano's still going up. Yeah, good thing we did not short. Well, I mean, we shouldn't have been shorting anyway because... What is... Okay, so that means Ethereum is just to the moon right now, right? 140. Let me go to Ethereum. Because here's my idea as well, is that if I move my stop loss to positive 100, which would be around this level, just rough estimate, I don't know, here, you know, this is one thing that I like about it or one thing that I fear about it. If the price drops, okay, fine, whatever, I made $100 in profits, right? And, you know, price could have gone all the way down there. Or the other alternative is, you know, price could have crossed that line, stayed around here for a while, but then eventually gone up a lot more. And it made me lose, you know, since I stopped over here, I lost this movement as well. And I only took profit from this movement over here. So it goes both ways. You never know what could happen. So it's better to not guess and just let this go, right? The only way to kind of combat this is the dynamic stop loss. No, not dynamic, it's called a trailing stop loss. Same idea, right? You have a stop loss that starts around... Let me turn off this magnet because it screws up my drawings. So let's say that is your stop loss. Starting from here. Price goes up to here. It goes up even further than this, so it goes up to here. Your new stop loss is now around this level, okay? We are currently up, let me change this here, 110. If this drops all the way down here, that's like positive, I don't know, 40. It won't be too much, right? We won't get much from that. Oh, we might start seeing some downswings here. We're at 97, so if I used stop loss in positive territory, it would have executed and I would have made $100 from this trade. But I'm gonna keep letting it go. I'm gonna, you know, because we advanced this much already, it's now even more likely for this price to hit up here than it is for it to come all the way back down here and start hitting my stop loss again. But with the dynamic stop loss, this trailing stop loss, it still wouldn't have reached this. So what is the law talking about? Saying wah wah, get on my stream, buddy. Anyways, so yeah, like this could still go up. So I'm just gonna wait for that. What else is supposed to be going up? Litecoin, Solana. Let's take a look at those. Yeah, take a look at Litecoin. Still going up. Could have. I mean, everything that I was planning to long on could have taken good benefit from this. Now, we could get a situation that, like what happened over here, for example, where, you know, we start here, a big price surge, okay, nice, but then it slowly starts calming down, and I don't know, if we entered here and we put a stop loss here, this would have triggered that stop loss, and we didn't hit our take profit, which would have been 2 to 1 from this, would have been, I don't know, like up here, which it did not hit. Something like that, just something I fear. I don't know. Could happen, could not happen, you never know. We're starting to see some downswings, though, so you know what that means. We look at these guys. Notcoin, we look at Cardano, which are still going up, surprisingly. I mean, maybe this is just a general change. Everything will start going up from here. I mean, even if it does, good for me. Good for Ethereum. That's my Ethereum position, still going up. Yeah, this is still going up. Okay. What else was shorting is Polygon Matic. I want to see if we can get into something with Polygon Matic, although I will try to be careful to not force myself into Polygon Matic. Because I also don't want this to be like, oh, the only one trade that I did was a losing trade and the strategy sucks. No, I don't want it to be like that either. So, still got some chance. Still got some chance. Alright. We're waiting for a short here. Not sure if that's going to happen. Next is, what else do we have? Chainlink is also supposed to be going down, although I do think that it might just start going up instead because of the 1 hour chart. I think it was in Chainlink if we look at it. Yeah, so, okay, look at this, right? We are getting we just got an upswing here, so yeah, Chainlink no longer good. No longer good to be planning on shorts, because this is about to break this level. Once it does break this level, 13.6666, then the super trend will start going down here again, same as where this level was, and it will be considered at an uptrend. It might even do that right now, but I like to wait until the candle closes for confirmation, because that way the indicators cannot be repainted. They cannot be changed once the candle has been closed. It moves on to the next candle. So I'd like to wait for that, but I'm also not going to wait 1 hour. So we're not going to operate Chainlink anymore. Just going to keep it as neutral for now. So our 3 shorts are possibly not Matic and Cardano. Let me see Matic again. We're almost getting an upswing on Matic, which is dangerous. But, I mean, we almost got an upswing over here, but price eventually came back down. If we were to be shorting as we should have, given the current circumstances, not these circumstances, but the circumstances of these indicators at this time over here, yeah, we would have made some profit if that happened. Unfortunately, no, not this time. Or, I mean, still a possibility. That's why I do have this on my watch, in case something funky happens. How is Ethereum? 122, okay. I mean, I kind of want it to go up, but I also want to see some things go down. I really don't know what I want anymore. Okay, let's go back to our long positions, which was Bitcoin. Not in the 1 hour chart. In the 1 hour chart, we know that this is indeed going up for sure. Looks like we found our new level here. Okay, it's starting to come up now. I do also want to keep a track of Ethereum. Yep, might actually hit a take profit. Our hypothetical one, because we didn't enter this, unfortunately. I don't know what I was doing. I'm going to rewatch my own stream and see why didn't I enter this. I'm going to beat myself up for this, man. Like, my hands are on my head right now. I don't know what to do here. Whatever. Gotta sit here and cry, watch that. Okay, yes, reject. I want this to fail now. But at the same time, I want this one to succeed. Ethereum is not moving. It's barely moving. This might just hit, but we're not going to get anything from it. But it's still nice to know, you know, this is the projection of what would have been able to happen. For some reason, did not happen. I don't know why I did that. Just a little bit more. Yeah, there you go. Woohoo, we could have won $200 just there. We almost did it. I don't know what I was thinking, man. At least Ethereum is going up to kind of soothe the pain. But it has to go up so much more compared to what Bitcoin has already gone up. Although, admittedly, I probably entered late on this. I should have been entering over here. And if I did enter here, take profit would have been... Because I did take long. I do remember this now. Okay, I took long with Ethereum. This is my fault. Our take profit would have been over here. We would have been a lot closer. Look how much more further we have to go just because I waited like a minute or two. That's why you have to be very fast with these strategies, with scalping in general. Could have been a take profit a lot sooner. But no, I decided to be slow today. So now we suffer the consequences and wait. You know what? I think now we're safe. No, we're not safe. I was going to move my stop loss up, but I don't think I should. Let's just let it ride. Okay. Obviously, we're not going to get any good short positions at this rate because things are still going up. Or maybe we do. Let's see how the shorters are doing. Okay, never mind. This is still going up for Cardano. Cardano's just non-stop going up. Look at these 3 perfectly straight up diagonal lines. Like, that is just very, very strong up movement. It's not looking like it wants to come down. Polygon-matic, I don't know why I switched. So just change tabs. Yeah, same thing here. A bit of a slower movement over here, but it eventually is starting to shoot up again. I don't think we're going to see much good opportunities for shorting. We removed Chainlink, so we're not going to be shorting that. And then Notcoin was our other option, which is right over here, and it's still going up. So no possibility of entry yet. I don't know what I'm doing here, but if we get a downswing, it's going to look something like this, right? Something like that. Just going to move this over here so that I know that I have to readjust my stop loss in the case that I accidentally enter this. Phantom supposedly is up 6%. 3%. Why are you lying? My phone is sending me notifications. Okay, so here's some news that I see on my phone. Hong Kong legislator Johnny Ng, that's his last name, it's just NG, advocates for Bitcoin Web3 development. Okay, so Hong Kong legislator. Is he important? Like, who is this guy? I'm probably gonna have to look him up live right now. Economic events. Okay, stop. This is news from 3 hours ago, though. I don't know if that's relating to what's going on, like, right now. Of course not. Oh, Bitcoin in Canadian dollars is 97,910. We're almost at 100K with this. Which, yeah, that's like all-time high for US dollar, which is, in our case, 73,000 US dollar. Cool, cool, okay. I do have to look this guy up. Johnny Ng. Johnny Ng. That's this guy. Member of Legislative Council of Hong Kong. Engineer, politician, member of Legislative Council Election Committee constituency, which is newly created the electoral overhaul. Okay. Okay. And what about the news? Yeah, he advocates for Bitcoin Web3 development. That's the news that I just saw here. But I don't think that's the reason why this is all coming up right now. Oh, potential downswing. Ethereum still has to come up. It's at 164. That's good. Imagine now 170. Imagine now if I used my stop loss, which I said I would put over here, and which it did reach. We did go below sub 100 at one point of this positive trade. That would not have been good, because I would have missed out on this $70 extra. I don't know. That might just jinx me and go back down to all the way to 0 for not moving up my stop loss and guaranteeing profit on this trade, which is something that I can do. Like, even at this point, I feel safer at doing that. Maybe when you're $50 above, you know, what would have been your, you know, this is your stop, your break even, and then positive the amount of money that you're putting in, and then you can go for double that if it does continue to go up. So that's the idea. 166. I think I will. I think I will do this. It seems to be approximately, I don't know, what is it, 3,310? That's 129, so it's got to be less. 0074, so 05. A bit less, 4. Whoa, that's too much. 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. There's $100, but I do also want commissions covered, which is $8.14. So we'll look for $108 in profit, which is probably going to be this. Or more, 600, yeah. 108.20, 108.14, yeah, I think this is good. Put a stop loss, 3306.1. You know what, let me just, before I actually do any changes, I want to see where this level will be. Just in case, you know. If I see that it's too close, I'm probably not going to do it. So that's our, this is supposed to be our stop loss if I moved it into positive territory. So if this comes down, whatever I made $100, that's fine. But I kind of want the 200, right? We're getting kind of close. 170 approximately still. But the issue is that, you know, if it hits that, okay, cool, we made 100. Let me just draw it out so I can show you what I'm talking about. If it hits this, yeah, cool, we made 100. But then what if the price does this, right? We lost on all that, which would suck. Or the other scenario is, okay, yeah, price hits this, cool, we made 100, and then, I don't know, maybe we get that, right? You never know. Any of this can happen. You have to be careful with the scenarios. And then you said, hey, you know, I could have lost 100, but at least I made 100, you know? Good thing I was live here and able to change that. This is sort of similar to what I'm doing on my main account. I'm just going to spoil a bit on what I'm doing on my main account because, yeah, I just moved my stop losses to positive territory. No take profits, let it rise. And I'm not going to specify to you exactly what amounts I do that by, but that's something that I kind of do on my main account. We're dropping to 152. Bitcoin, yeah, we already confirmed that Bitcoin already hit its supposed take profits that I did not enter for some reason. I'm still upset that I didn't enter that. Okay, we're back up to 160. You know what? I think I'm going to do this. And we'll see what happens if, indeed, we get screwed over by this. So there's a new stop loss. I could remove this. Or maybe not. I'll keep it there just in case I have to retroactively go back and reanalyze what I did wrong. We were up 170, so I think it's safe to put that. We're more likely to hit the 200 take profit than the 100 stop loss. 100 positive stop loss. Also, if you guys don't know, this exchange Mingex gives you daily rewards, which I am currently claiming on my phone. And I got $2 USDT bonus voucher, and where are these vouchers? I've gotten so many and I have not activated them. Okay, either way, it's not too much that they give you, but it's not little either. I mean, well, it is a little, but, you know, it's free money. Free money is always nice if you know how to do it wisely. The idea with the bonus vouchers is that once you use it, it automatically closes in 24 hours, so it's not like you can put something at the very, very, like, lowest level of the market, say, like, over here, and then just watch the price soar, and then you made money and decide what to close it whenever, because that's cheating. You only get 24 hours, basically, and they maximize the amount of leverage that you can use. Like, if they give you $5, you're only allowed to use 5x leverage. You're not allowed to do, I don't know, 20x, 50x, 100x, because that would multiply your $5 by a lot more, right? So there's restrictions on that, but I mean, still, it's like you're using $20 and then suddenly you made, in 24 hours you can make, I've made like $2, $3 with very good movements in price positions. So that's one possibility. But yeah, that's just what the bonus vouchers do. This is coming up very good. We're in 85, we hit 187. Oh, okay, it's dropping to 180s, 170s. It was really close to the 190 mark. 190 of course, is the closest that you can get to the 200 mark. So possibilities. We'll see what happens here. I'm really happy about this one. But I'm sad that I didn't enter the Bitcoin one. Of course, we're not going to see any downswings. I think that's just 100% confirmed at this point. This would have been perfect but I took too long. I took too long. And yeah, this I'm still moving this up, and I see no returns on the price. How is this looking in the 1 hour chart? It's like it's been going up so much. I'm not even sure if we changed trends yet. No, we're still considered in a downtrend by the looks of things. Although the price is currently above the moving averages, which I dislike. I'd like to see the price below the moving averages. If we're in a downtrend and we're supposed to be shorting under these moving averages, that is the optimal scenario because prices do keep going down. But if it crosses too much like this and then it keeps going up and up and up, then, you know, especially if it crosses the super trend mark, that's when it changes the super trend levels. Usually, that's how the super trend works. So there's that possibility. And then, of course, the moving averages will follow that to indicate an uptrend. And if I'm shorting and then it becomes an uptrend, that's no good. So I've got to try my best to avoid that. The best way to avoid that is obviously avoiding trading when the price is above the moving averages. But we don't pay attention to the rules, guys, right? The rules are meant to be broken, so we'll see what happens. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to enter in a short position. Likely not going to enter. Everything is still going up. Ethereum is 189. Just hit the 190 and we'll be solid. Okay, yeah, just drop because I told it to go up. Nice. Yeah, how about you drop further? If I tell you to drop further, will you go up? Yeah, keep dropping. Now it's... Okay, now it is actually dropping. Never mind, do your own thing, whatever, I'm not gonna talk. Okay, it really is dropping now, it's concerning. 169, oh no. It's fine, you don't have to stare at the market like I'm doing. This is unhealthy. What else is going on? Like, actually good news. So we read the University of Wyoming thing. Bitcoin Academy, it seems like they're doing. Oh yeah, so a lot of people are kind of complaining like, oh, Bitcoin barely moved at all while during the whole Bitcoin conference. Even after the, like, politicians like RFK Jr. or Donald Trump said that they were very bullish on Bitcoin and going to buy it and make it a strategic reserve. It's still not moving. Well, most likely because that is what most people were expecting from the market anyways in terms of Bitcoin. And a lot of that has already been reflected on the price, is what I like to call it. So, you know, people always are smart. They think ahead. You have to try to outsmart the people if you want to succeed. So I got to stay on top of the news and everything, stay informed, react quicker than everybody else is the deal. But there's people who actually like live from this. I'm just doing this as a hobby, really. Am I though? I don't know. I'm just seeing where this goes, honestly. Okay, new highs. 190, we broke 190. Okay, I jinxed it, it's dropping. No, it's at 190 now. Just go up $10 more. Like, you went up from 169 to this point. Or just go back to 169, I guess. Yeah, that's fine as well. Okay, 180. We're so close. We're so close. I mean, we could have hit this already if I just reacted a little bit quicker. But it's a good thing as well that I didn't wait, because I said, you know what? If I wait, this will keep going up. But if I enter, this will start going down, because that's how the market works. But this case, it actually went in my favor, and it's a good thing that I entered. I think that's the reason why I lost on this one, because I said, okay, you know what? This is going up too much. I'm waiting for a drop. The drop never came, and I would have hypothetically won if I was fast enough. But I did detect this movement from here. Would have been good. Would have been good on the Bitcoin side of things. But Ethereum now, I have to suffer. I have to pay the consequences of waiting too long. 194, 197. Okay, just $3 more. Just do it. I want to end this stream with a positive 200 inflow. Even if I didn't get to enter multiple stuff like I wanted to. Oh, this isn't even 200 though. I have to gain like 210, 229. Why is it 229? Are you serious? This is risk reward ratio 1 to 2. 332806. 332806. That is a lot higher. Can I drop this? What would the amounts that I'm looking for be? $208 and 14 cents. What gives me that amount? I'll reduce the amount if it just hit 201 just there. Okay, that would be 332, I don't know, 6 less 5, 4. Yeah, 4 looks fine. 0.5, 0.4, 0.3, 0.2, 0.25, 228. Yeah, that's perfect. Oh, it just hit that. Okay. Well, I think I'll just let it go up, I guess. Or it's just going to start dropping here. It looks like it is going to just hit it. Yeah, so that's the level I wanted it to hit. And now it starts dropping. Don't tell me I made a mistake. No, I think it will still go up. We'll just let it go up. Or should I just close it manually? I'm just going to close this manually. 210, 211, I think it said. Whatever. I miscalculated whatever the stop loss, take profit, risk reward ratio is. Because it was giving me 230, I think, of gains. Whatever, just cut my profit there. Woohoo, we got it. We made it. Congratulations. Or maybe I did. I don't know where I went wrong with the calculations. But whatever. We hit the take profits, supposedly. We made the 211, and I think that's a good way to end the stream, probably. Let me just go ahead and flex this and write this down. So our Solana and Cardano negative trades are going to be compensated by this Ethereum trade. Ended today, 28th. We entered at the price of 3286.46, and we closed at 3324.88. We made $211.68 and paid $8.14 in commissions, which not half bad. This is closed manually. I'll be honest to myself. If I closed it manually, I closed it manually, and that's the deal. But it's 200 profit. I made the take profit there. Okay, cool. Now we just have $24 in drawdown, and that's mainly due to commissions. Commissions fault, blame the commissions. High commissions are no bueno, but whatever. Exchanges, I guess, need to survive too. They provide you with the security, the benefit of being able to trade seamlessly, confidently, etc. I'm not going to keep sponsoring these guys. All right, cool. Let's yeah, let's not do anything else. I think we're good. You can start dropping from here. You've gone up too much. Thank you for going up. That's all for today then. It's 10:51. Been streaming 52 minutes. Yeah, I think it's more than good to end the stream here. Thank you guys so much for watching, for listening to me yap for 52 minutes, and yeah, well, 53 minutes. I'm gonna end it off here. Thanks, guys.